Alright, we should be good. As soon as I get the go ahead on YouTube, saying we're streaming. Alright, let's get it. Lots of ideas we gotta go over. First one, Bitcoin. Now that my software should be doing a little bit better, yeah, there we go. Sorry, I have to keep turning down the resolution. I just gotta make sure that we're not lagging like crazy. So right now we're on Bitcoin perpetual contracts. So that's these right here. We're gonna go to Coinbase, load that puppy up. Alrighty. So you guys already know the sentiment. Look how perfect that is. You guys know, if you've been on the channel, that we've had that trend line up forever. Look how perfectly it touches that trend line. We'll see. We'll see what it does. We'll see what she do. But I'm telling you guys, I'm not saying doom or gloom or this or that. I'm just telling you. We break this high right here, and it's going to be parabolic. It's not going to be like parabolic in like the sense like in the immediate short term, it's just going to pump like crazy. What I'm saying is that when we break, if Bitcoin goes up to 40,139 area, and it breaks above that area, it is in a higher high in every single scenario but its all-time high. And that is just going to create a massive amount of double bottoms like what we've been talking about. I mean, no matter how you slice it, you go right here, this is one bottom. You go right here, this is another bottom. So an absolutely massive double bottom. Take this right here, take this as one bottom, take this as another bottom. The only thing we need to break is this level right here. So this price action right here is absolutely massive. And Bitcoin is testing it right now. So of course, when I tell you guys I'm going to keep you updated on the price action, that's what I'm doing. This is something you need to know, so this is what I'm showing you. Now, why is this important? Because that's another thing. We could be a good YouTube channel if we talk about this. But to be one of the best, I gotta show you why it's important. BTC.D. You see this gorgeous downtrend. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Uh-oh. What happened? Boom. Boom shakalaka. And we are breaking through fib levels. This is on Bitcoin dominance. Look at this. This is on the 1 hour chart. Massive, massive, massive moves up with a long signal. Everything's looking good on this chart as far as like momentum possibly moving up. This is just the start though. We're still away from my area that I was talking about. Like, this is a huge area that if we potentially break this area right here, this is again why I got you pulled up right here. Because we're just a little bit away from that area right here. Price actions right here, or the percentages right here, and then, did we just break it? Just about. And this line right here that we're looking at, this purple, pinkish line, I'm legally colorblind. Let's see. It's this one. Looks pink. I don't know. That line, if we break it, we are potentially heading higher, and we could reverse out of Bitcoin dominance. Altcoin season canceled, potentially. Potentially. But that potential is still huge, and so we have to cover it. What does this mean to me? So not only have I told you what's going on with Bitcoin, not only did I tell you how we can interpret that, but now how can we interpret the fact that Bitcoin dominance is pumping? Like, what would I do? Well, I've been taking profits on a lot of altcoins, putting my profits into Ethereum. Am I saying you have to get rid of all your altcoins? I didn't get rid of all my altcoins. But if you had some mid-low caps that have been pumping pretty good, not financial advice, but what I did is I took, my profits that I was making, so I was making like 100% on a lot of these things in a short amount of time. And if I got 100 in on some of these altcoins and they pump, and that's another $100, and I'll take half of that out, put it into Ethereum, at least. If this thing keeps pumping, like if we hit this fib area right here and then break through it and continue higher, I might be taking profits out of my altcoins. Wow, that was really good. It was a good bite. I'm telling you, I'm here to keep you updated. So that's what I'm here for. Nobody on the internet, as far as I'm concerned, is saying, oh, altcoin season could be potentially ending. That's what you're here for. And then I told you guys we were consolidating on ETH. And guess what? We're consolidating. Could we move higher? Could we move lower? Yeah, yeah, definitely. It looks like we're finding support on this moving average. Well, potentially. Maybe it's a different moving average. Oh, there was some really bearish thing that was going on. Let's take a look at, it was on ETH. Let's go to MA, go to settings. Oh, they don't let you manipulate it. Let's see. Yeah, we can do it on here. So we'll take off the Bollinger Bands. And I'll print out another MA. I saw this earlier, which was huge. Okay, so we have two now? Yeah. Input. I want the 5 and the 20. Frick, it just deleted. Who says frick? Alright, there we go. Then we'll do the 20. MA. There we go. 20. Perfect. Alright, now we're going to clear all this up. And then it was either on the daily chart that I saw this, or on the 12-hour. We'll find out. Take that out. Take that out. The lighter color we're going to put as, or the smaller MAO we always put as the lighter color. And then just on my Bybit account, I always have it, the 20 as the pink, or my Bybit account, I always have it as the pink. So I'll just keep it like that. Looks clean. Perfect. So, we have a bearish cross right, or a golden cross right here. Huge. Alright, let's go. Let's go down. Was it the 1 hour I was looking at? Maybe it was just the 1 hour. I thought it was like really important. I thought it was like the 12-hour. Let's see. I'm having a hard time. I see this moving average. Is that even a moving average? I see this one. Let's turn this one a different color. Let's turn this one something easier to see, like purple. Oh, there she is. Let's see her. She's right there. So you got this one. Maybe it was just on the 1 hour that I saw that cross. Let's just look at the daily to be safe. Maybe it was the 1 hour. So the fact that we did get that cross on the 1 hour and then price didn't move that substantially, but that's not that substantial of a cross. I mean, it's a golden cross, but so we'll see. We'll see. Well, it looks like it's consolidating. Could go either way right now. But I'll keep you guys updated. Looking good. I'm still on that trade. So my specific target that I'm looking for on Ethereum is 1,586. Is really what I would love to buy some at that level. Yeah. So I'm gonna get in heavy right there. If the opportunity arises, if it's bullish and it doesn't happen, that's fine. Nice, go away. So that's what I'm leaving you with.